guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I got some tea, some exciting news. Not really exciting, but my hair is finally out of that weave, and this is my natural hair, honey. Well, this isn't natural. Like, my hair is curly. This is just it, blow dried and everything. And I think this video is going to be a how-to for this hairstyle. Plus, I was gonna talk about some things, but we're gonna do the talking part out of it, like, really quick, because it's not that much information. It's just really quick. So I got an Apple Watch, and I'm gonna be 18, so my parents surprised me and bought it for me. My birthday isn't even here yet. It's like 29 days away. 28, one of them. Yes, I am counting down. And then this wood thing right here, my friend, he's like really good with wood, so he made a wood burn for me, and it has a minion. Let's see if I can move it down so you can see just a little bit more. Yeah, it has a minion, and the minion has bananas, and I think it is so cute and adorable. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and we're gonna go do a how-to on it. Now, I just washed my hair, so I'm not gonna like rewash my hair and do this, but because that's so much work and we're lazy on this channel. So I'm gonna just show you all the products I use, everything I put in, everything you need to do this. And there's so many videos out there like how to do high puffs and this and that, but I don't know, I just really like how I do mine and how mine comes out. And I'm not gonna lie, like, I got some of my inspiration from people who put their videos on YouTube. I cut my hair 2016. Yeah, it was November 2016. And literally during that summer, my hair like grew so much, and then I went and got a weave, and right after I took the weave out, the sew-in, I had cut my hair off. Like, maybe I can insert a picture. Maybe. We'll see. So everybody can see. But, like, I didn't have hair. I was a baldy. And this is the growth after 2 years. And, well, it has product in it, so it came up a little bit. This is, like, where my hair is at. Now, if I was to straighten it, probably maybe a little bit longer since I have product in it. But this is good for 2 years of growth. From going from like right here, like my hair not being taller than this, to all of this in 2 years. Like, I feel like that's amazing. But let's go in my bathroom, and I'm gonna show you everything I use and how we do this. Let's go. Alright, so now this is my hair. So I'm just gonna get a comb, and I'm gonna kind of, because I already have product in it because I did my hair today for work, I'm just gonna try to pick it out because I don't want to put heat to it really, but we're gonna have to anyway. Well, you don't have to, but I do, because of the simple fact of how my hair reacts to product. When product is in my hair, it soaks it up and it shrinks. So this is my little afro. So I forgot to bring the thing I was using for my hair to hold in the bathroom. Oopsie. So I'm gonna just use this. So things I use / you need if you was to do this. Y2 comb to pick out. A ribbon that is able to wrap around your head and pull. Now I use that As I Am Moisture Milk, and this contains cocoa butter, shea butter, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, sugar beetroot, and vitamin E. All good things for your hair. Especially the jojoba oil, meaning that it's already going to be, oil based and provide your hair with oils. And then the wheat germ oil. And then it has sweet almond oil. So all of that is good. So this is how much product I put. And then after that, we go on to the blow drying step. Now, I don't want to put any more heat to my hair, so actually I might blow dry it a little bit. And don't judge my blow dryer, it's a little busted. So, I'm going to just blow dry just a little bit because I can feel my hair like soaking up the product. Yeah, and I can see it too. And then, also for what we need is, I'm using the extreme gel. I've been seeing everybody, Wetline extreme gel. I've been seeing everybody use it. So I wanted to give it a try and I like it. It doesn't flake. I can put it in my hair for a couple days and it doesn't flake. You're gonna need a toothbrush. And this step is optional, but because I like Cantu, I use some of the leave-in conditioner and I put it around my nape, which is right here and around the back. There's like no more, there's no other products that I use. So you'll see when I use the gel and everything. So now we're gonna move on to the blow drying step. Hold on. Alright, so now that my hair is all blown out, sort of, yeah, it is. I forgot like one of the most important tools you need is a brush. Oh my gosh, how could I? So, now that everything's blown out, I usually let it stay in its natural state like this until, meaning as like, I don't try to mush it up until I get this. Now we're gonna take some Wetline Extreme Gel. And I don't know if it's just this kind of gel. I don't know if there's a difference between the other ones if you don't have these. But some people like to go straight up. And then it also depends on your hair. My hair, I can swoop it all I want. But as soon as I go to put that ribbon and pull it, it just goes straight up. This fell. Back. Alright. So now, go around the back, go down the ears, as you can see, come around, go to tie. Alright, I couldn't do it. So now, you just pull. Because my hair has product in it, it's not as poofy as it would be if I didn't have any product. So when this happens, go ahead with that big comb and we just pick it up just a little bit, or you can use a pick. Now, the next step, which is almost everybody's favorite. This part is totally optional. This way, the way I'm doing it, you don't have to do it my way. This is just how I prefer my edges to be. I don't prefer them to look like, you know, everybody else's and how they do their baby hair and everything. I don't. This part you just style to decide, like how you want it to look. It's desired to your style fitting. The fluffing out part, as you can see, it's like really uneven right here. I don't know, it just like gets really thin right there. But anyway, so I put some in my palm and I get my toothbrush, put on my toothbrush. And me, I just swoop. This is the end to my hot tub video. And I like it. Well, like, of course I like it. Thank you guys for watching my video and listening to me talk about my dumb Apple Watch. But I was really excited to get the burn though. Like, I was really happy about it. Let me pick up my phone. I was really happy about that. I was really excited. But let me show you guys some new additions to my bonnet collection. So I got this. If you follow me on Snapchat, you would see him. But I got this Supreme bonnet with Louis Vuitton. And then I got this bonnet that it's Waivers at Heart Apparel on Instagram, and they make them, and my father bought one for me, and I just love them so much. Like, I always wear the Louis Vuitton one. Like, that one is so comfortable. Like, I love it so much. But thank you guys for watching.